What's up, guys? I want to walk you through what investment you're looking at on a monthly basis to do the email marketing and the Facebook ads with us. Hey everyone, this is Logan Shinholster with Contractor Growth Network, and I want to walk you through one of the services that we offer, talk to you about what it looks like, what you're going to be investing, what we need out of you, things like that, so everybody's on the exact same page. So let me go ahead and start off. Before I jump into the actual service, let me just explain real quickly why this stuff works, and it works well. So whenever a company, contracting business, so any business in general, whenever somebody says, I want to generate leads, they only really focus on the leads that are ready to buy today, and they forget about the leads that are ready to buy in a few weeks, a few months, and potentially even a few years. It all just depends how long the services sales cycle is. And unfortunately, a lot of contractors and business owners as a whole, we all have misinformation, and we've told ourselves the wrong story as far as how long a sales cycle is. What we think is that a sales cycle, where if somebody calls us up and says, hey, I want to get a new addition on my home, they think that from the time that that person called until the time that they actually move forward with the project, that is how long it took. But in fact, they forget about the months and years beforehand where the person was actually doing research, learning more about it before finally getting a quote or starting that process of actually hiring somebody. So if you're one of those, contractors or small businesses that says, you know what, I think somebody wants to buy a new house, the sales cycle is 3 months. Well, in fact, I've been, looking at the idea of buying a new home for years now. I'm nowhere even close to actually buying one, but I've been thinking about it for years. And I've been just looking up, prices, types of homes. Is it better to move into a home that is already done, or should I move into a fixer-upper, then hire somebody? All those sorts of things. I'm looking at that, but I'm still a couple years out, and I've already been looking for a couple years. So it's not an immediate overnight thing. So you have to understand that the sales cycle really dictates what kind of marketing you do. So let me walk through what I mean by that. Is we have this purchase, which means this is the marketing funnel, not to get nerdy, but this is where people at the bottom of this they're ready to buy, right? They're buying from you. They're calling you up to say, hey, I want to hire you. And this is where every business focuses all their attention. But they forget about the rest of the funnel, which are all the other stages of people that are going to be buying, but just not today or tomorrow or even next week. They're going to be buying down the road. So this is really where we shine as a whole, because we're really good at the whole building an online relationship with people and keeping that relationship nurtured. That is really what all the Facebook ads or social media and Facebook ads into email marketing is meant for. It's not, you run a couple ads on Facebook and then you get a ton of people that are ready to buy today. It's most likely going to be more focused around actually getting people onto an email list and then nurturing that relationship. So when they are ready, they're going to hire you, but also they're going to be way more qualified because they will be getting information about how long the process takes, how much does it cost, all those sorts of things. So you have to be a little bit more patient with it. However, when they come in, they're way, way, way more qualified. With that being said, let's talk about it. So first off, investment-wise, what are you looking at? Right now, as it stands, it actually costs $2,100 per month, investment-wise, to do the Facebook ads and the email marketing. So what does that include? So first off, we set up all these Facebook ads. Here's just a quick example of one, is we set up ads where it goes for people that are both ready to buy today. So we say, hey, you want to give us a call? Give us a call. And then we'll actually send them over to a landing page that says, which is a specifically made page that says, hey, look, give us a call today. And what you notice is different about this page versus maybe your website is that they don't have any other options on this page other than give you a call or fill out the form, right? If you click that, it goes down things, and then at the bottom of the page, it says fill out the form. So it's different than actually sending people to your actual website, but it's way more effective because it only gives them one option, and that is to either leave or buy from you. So the first thing is we use Facebook ads to say to people, hey, look, if you're ready to buy today, go ahead and buy. If you're not ready to buy today, because most people have a longer sales cycle, then go ahead and let's get you on our email list. And we do that by exchanging a guide or something that you give us your name, your first name, your last name, and your email, and we'll give you whatever. And in this case, it's a guide to exterior painting. So you got to think about anybody who's going to be downloading this guide. They're looking to potentially hire a company relatively soon because they're looking at all things exterior painting. So in this guide, that is also included in all this price, it talks all through the different questions. It talks through what's it cost, why should you do it, what affects the cost, the look, the caulk, how does it work, how long does it last for, how to take care of the job to make it last afterwards. So what it effectively does is it's going to walk through all the FAQs and it's going to pre-qualify somebody even more and give them a very good understanding of what they're in for as a homeowner when it comes to this service. So that is where the email marketing comes in, because now that we've identified that they're potentially interested in this service, now every other week they get an email that just says, hey, here's another helpful tip. Here's like a basic one. And this is, a spring cleaning email that just kind of reminds them that, hey, look, you're part of our family. What's going on? How's everything going? And the more that you stay top of mind with people, the more that they will be reminded that they need your services and they will call you. And that is how it works. So first, you always start off with your Facebook ads. And the reason that we love Facebook ads is because we can say, hey, look, let's go ahead and let's say anybody that went to your website that didn't buy, let's show them an ad. Or let's identify the perfect ideal demographic in your area, show them ads. Or even better, send us over your past customer list. We'll upload that into Facebook and we can show them ads. And maybe for them, because they already know, like, and trust you, maybe we don't show them an ad about download your guide. Maybe we show them the ad that says, like, give us a call today. Okay? And then when it comes to the email marketing, all these new people that are coming into your world, they get the emails. All your past customers that need to be reminded that they have been meaning to call you, but they keep forgetting, they get your emails. So you get all this stuff. It's $2,100 a month. It's a minimum of 4 months to invest in it because it takes time to build this stuff up. But the results are fantastic and it really, really, really builds that pipeline as a whole. So to kind of recap all this, you got your Facebook ads, you've got your guide that gets created for you, you've got your emails that come out. What's not included in this is the actual money that gets put towards the ads. That goes directly to Facebook themselves. We don't get to keep that. You got to set that up. That generally is between $500 and $1,000 a month that goes towards them. So you have to factor that in on top of all this. But you get like an incredible bang for your buck because Facebook is still stupid cheap right now as far as getting your message in front of the right people at the right time. Think about how much it costs if you've ever run TV commercials or radio ads, how much it costs to actually do that. And all you're doing at that point is you're guessing, hey, I'm just gonna guess that people that watch, CNBC or Fox News at 6 p.m. are our ideal demographic. But on Facebook, you can actually target and say, this is exactly who we want to go after. So it's very easy, it's very straightforward. What works better as far as, getting the information on, over to us to put on Facebook, videos are always going to do well. Okay, videos are great. The next thing is pictures of the work, right? We don't want to put up anybody else's pictures. We want to put up your own. So you just have to kind of work a little bit with whatever company you're working with, but using that trend of Facebook right into email marketing, whether they're going to be, we're emailing them or we're using the Facebook ads to get them and give us a call today. It's up to where that person is in the buying process, but we hit them at the purchase phase saying, give us a call today. And we hit them at the, hey, if you're not ready to call us today, that's fine. Go ahead and download our guide and we're going to email you every other week with some helpful tips to keep you reminded that you want us, you need us, and when you want to buy from us, we're ready. So that's how it all works. Do me a favor, because I'm showing you a bit of a behind the scenes look into all this. Smash that like button if you like this. If this is helpful to you and this explains it all, smash that like button. And if you want on top of this, there's also Google ads that we run that you throw in another $650 a month for that, for us to set that up and run for you as well. But I throw that in at the end because that's great to get people that are closer to this purchase phase. However, for us, especially in the worlds that we operate in, in the industries that we go for is we don't like to set up Google ads without setting up all the Facebook stuff because they work so well together that you actually need both. So if you want Google ads set up from us, you got to get Facebook ads first, and then we can add that on as an add-on. Okay? I hope that helps. Smash the like button. Thank you very much. See ya.